Plan schedule management. Plan schedule management is the first process in time management. Now, plan schedule management is the process where we develop a plan for how to develop and manage the schedule. Remember, we're in the world of the PMI. We plan every single thing we do. If you want to develop a schedule, we plan it. We know we're going to manage the schedule, but let's plan how to manage. Let's take a look at our inputs here. Remember, I told you in scope management that there were four processes that would be, four inputs, I beg your pardon, that would be a recurring input across schedule, scope, and cost, and even risk to some degree. Do you remember what those are? Let's see if you remember them in sequence. That first one, what's the next one? Project charter. What comes next? EEFs. And our friends, OPAs. These are recurring across plan scope management, plan schedule management, plan cost management, and plan risk management. How about the tools and techniques? Do you remember what I told you? Do you remember the tools and techniques that are going to recur and the one that will be added here? Because one is about to be added. We are in an area that has a little bit of mathematics about it, so we're going to have to analyze stuff. So we have expert judgment, analytical techniques, which helps us analyze stuff, and meetings. The way I remember analytical techniques is it has to do with analyzing something more mathematical. So cost and schedule and risk have analytical techniques. That's a freebie for you. That could give you some gimmies on the exam, I'm sure. So those are the tools and techniques, and the output, the schedule management plan. It's a plan for how to manage the schedule. It's a plan for how to even develop the schedule. So you're going to go through a few tasks, you know, and bear in mind this is like the biggest knowledge area of them all. It's got 7 processes. No other knowledge area has got 7 processes. So in this, right, there are 6 things planned. How to define the activities, how to sequence them, how to estimate activity resources, how to estimate activity durations, how to develop the schedule, and how to control the schedule. 6 things. This area is huge. So let's jump into the details and see what exactly is in the schedule management plan.